Hey, how we doing, everybody? It's another beautiful day here at the Cheesy Moon Workshop. A rare Thursday evening video. Opening up what is quickly becoming my Barlow book here. Reason for the video today: at work on the job site, young man from the survey crew named Tyler. I was talking with him about the YouTube channel, and he says, hey, I got a knife, and he runs over to the truck, and he comes back, and he hands me a knife. And I picked up the knife, or he hands it to me, and I'm like, oh yeah, I know exactly what that is. And it was this knife here. And I said, yeah, I recognize this, wood grain looking plastic handle. That's a Klein Tools or Klein and Sons. If you look at this knife, I'm hoping the camera's picking this up. There's this lightning bolt looking section right there. Completely identical, right? So in this case, this is kind of like the little hawkbill. Has an X, Klein Tools, Chicago, right? Half stop. And so I naturally assumed this was a Klein Tools. Then I opened it up, and it's Kutmaster, stainless USA. So either Kutmaster was making these knives for Klein Tools, which is likely how it went, because Klein is an electrician company, and they still sell tools today, highly sought after. So most likely Kutmaster was building these knives for Klein Tools. But that's going to be I'm going to get it cleaned up. It's really rusty, and but it still has a decent half stop. The blade is really not hurt at all. And the sorry if I was out of frame there. This is kind of I don't really have any nails left. I've been messing with these old knives so much. Give me a little helpers out here. The screwdriver has not been sharpened and hacked on like a lot of them are. So that's a good thing. I really appreciate it there, Mr. Tyler. It's not like I need another electrician's knife. I have multiples of them, but it's a fun one. Trust me, guys, it's not chewed up. But this will make a fine addition to my electrician knife little collection over here. This one here is a Camillus. This is another Camillus, a Colonial, and a Holub. So that's pretty cool addition to that family. Some recent acquisitions, I picked up a couple of these Schrades, and I'm believing that they are factory seconds. They're brand new, never been sharpened or anything, but the Schrade has been like filed down, and in this case it has a couple scratches across the word Schrade. Same with this one here. You see the hatch is across Schrade, and it has the USA and the model number there, but it's been like filed off and restamped as a second, I believe. Also true with this Schrade old timer. This is a factory job. The Schrade old timer ID has been sanded off. The blade is brand new. This is just kind of rusty, but I think it was probably a factory second, possibly because of this little tiny gap at the end of the scale or something. Don't know. These two Same deal here. Schrade is scratched out. This is a 5OT. Same with this one here. The Schrade has been kind of cut, so I'm assuming there were factory seconds to be in that condition with those obvious factory grinding marks on there. These little guys here. This was a old Scrimshaw Barlow that someone filed the Scrimshaw and sanded it down. I mean, it's nice and smooth, but it's a shame they did that. But these two are the same knife that never had a Scrimshaw printed on them. Same deal. I believe they were factory seconds because they're filed off. The blade is brand new, never been used. These came from my good old favorite knife store over there in Sanford, Florida that I deal with all the time. But there you go, guys. Just a quick video. I know I kind of got sidetracked with these factory seconds here. Yeah, maybe that's, yeah, a little difficult to release there. That one was fine. But those are just some of the new acquisitions. I found another one of these Colonial. This blade's in great shape. Colonial lockbacks. Very reminiscent of a buck knife. I gotta clean that one up. And then this one here has the that wolf on it. The blade's broke. But a couple of nice Colonial knives. They'll clean up real nice someday when I have a spare minute. But Mr. Tyler, thanks again for this knife. As soon as I find it again, this is one. The rusty blades here. I will get this cleaned up and post it in another video coming up with maybe a cleanup of this and a few of these other knives. And but once again, I appreciate you, brother. Thank you very much. Tyler from the surveying company. There you go, guys. Until I see you all again, please remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and above all, have a beautiful day.